Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, you're welcome to the home where you are taught tips and tricks on how to handle your sewing machines and how to make bags and other DIYs. So in today's tutorial, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what to do, okay, if your machine thread keeps cutting, okay, as you're making, maybe as you're sewing your clothes or as you're sewing bags, okay. So what do you do if your machine thread keeps cutting? So the number one thing you do if it keeps cutting is you adjust here. See, you lose this screw, okay. So it could be that it's like, see, this screw, all right, this screw, right, you make sure that your thread, it could be that the needle did not get to the maximum level it's supposed to get. You see, when you put it, it should be able to like balance. See, like there's no space in between this, there's no, look, your needle should show at the end of the screw here, okay. But if the needle goes too down, it will be cutting. So once you notice that your thread keeps cutting, what you will do is you adjust it and ensure that it gets to the maximum level, okay, and then you screw it very well. All right, so, and if it keeps cutting after you've done that and you see that it still, your thread keeps cutting again, the next thing I'm going to advise you to do is remove, that's change the needle. Change the needle, okay. It could be that the needle is feeling weak, or it needs to be changed. So just change the needle, okay. Change your needle. So that is another thing you need to do. If you do everything like you arrange, you put it to the maximum and you tighten this screw very well, and you notice that it's still like cutting, the best thing to do is change the needle. And another reason why your thread may be cutting is if you did not put your needle in the right manner. So let me show you. See this needle now. If you notice your sewing needle, okay, it has a smooth face and there's a place that has a line. Look at my line. There's the one that has a line, okay. Your nails can virtually enter inside it, okay. Why you see this one that it's the smooth side. Now another thing that can make your thread to be cutting is that if you misplace, like you interchange the fixing of the needle. Like, what do I mean? Like, if you fix this place that has a hole, if you fix it to face this side, okay, it will be cutting. So let me show you, it will be cutting. So if you notice that, or in order not to waste a lot of time, the right way to fix your needle is for this smooth side to be facing here, while the one that has line to be facing this back. It should be facing it should be on your left, okay, while the smooth side should be on your right. I hope you understand what I mean. So this is the screw, so you just put it in between and fix your needle. So if this helps you, I would like you to comment in the comment section, or better still, yeah, let me still show you. Let me just practicalize what I mean by using the side that has line. Let's see what will happen if we put it like the other way round. Let's see if it's going to sew, okay. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well by subscribing, because here I help you in your fashion, in your sewing, journey. So let's see what will happen since I did it the wrong way. Let's see if it's actually going to sew. So let's see. So you see, it's not going to sew at all because you have interchanged everything. You've interchanged everything. So you need to place it in the right place. If you see that it's not sewing, it's probably that you have you have interchanged the setting of the needle. So you have to set it right, okay, and make sure that the needle goes, and it has to be straight, okay. So you tighten this screw very well, tighten it very well, and you see that you will have a smooth running, whether you are a tailor, that's a fashion designer, or you are a bag maker. You know that we use the same, like there are some basic machines that we use, so you can see that it's sewing properly, right? So if this video helps you, I would like you to drop a thumbs up. Just click the thumbs up button by liking the video. Also share this to your tailoring group, to your bag making group, for those people, for beginners, people that even some professionals find it difficult sometimes. So share it to other groups that you belong to. Let this video go viral so that other people too can learn, and so that this channel can also rise. Even as you are learning, as you are benefiting, let this channel also benefit from you. So thank you so much, people. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. We have over 600 videos on bag making, so go there, watch. All right, and if you're finding difficult to see all of my videos, let me know in the comment section so that I will teach you how to see all my videos. So thank you so much. Bye for now. Comment in the comment section, guys. Share this video, like the video, and subscribe. The most important thing, subscribe and like. And also watch the adverts, please. For every content creator, always watch their advert, because you see that YouTube normally plays some adverts in between. This is the only way that content creators get paid. So if you don't watch the advert, they are just wasting their time. You see, all the data and all the spending the time for doing video, it will just be a waste. So please always watch the advert at least for 30 seconds, okay? So thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.